One of the best places to visit in Bonifacio Global City is SM Aura Mall Sky Park Garden. This place offers an amazing view of the many high-rise buildings of BGC and Taguig. It has cafes, restaurants, a pet park, and art installations. The chapel of San Pedro Calungsod is at the top floor of the mall with an elevator. Among all of the many projects of SM, this is definitely the best they've done so far. It's aesthetically pleasing and has so many things to offer for family and friends. We truly love the solemn and serene experience we had while strolling this beautiful place. For reviews on places, events, food, and rest, like and share this video and hit subscribe.